The life cycle of a butterfly. There are about 24,000 species of butterflies. The beautiful insects play an important role in our natural world. They are messengers of nature, not only adding brilliance to their surroundings, but also pollinating flowers and revealing the healthiness of our communities. Historically, butterflies have been used in art and lore, but otherwise have been ignored. Today, however, we realize the many benefits and uniqueness of these smaller wildlife forms. To further understand what makes butterflies unique, one must consider the miracle of metamorphosis. Believe it or not, before a butterfly comes to exist as a beautiful creature, it must overcome 4 huge transformations. The first stage is the egg. A butterfly starts life as a very small, round, oval, or cylindrical egg. The coolest thing about butterfly eggs, especially monarch butterflies, is that if you look closely enough, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of it. The egg shape depends on the type of butterfly that laid the egg. Butterfly eggs are usually laid on the leaves of plants, so if you are actively searching for these very tiny eggs, you will have to take some time and examine quite a few leaves in order to find some. The second stage is the larva, or the caterpillar. When the egg finally hatches, most of you would expect a butterfly to emerge, right? Well, not exactly. Butterfly larvae are actually what we call caterpillars. Caterpillars do not stay in this stage for very long, and mostly, in this stage, all they do is eat. When the egg hatches, the caterpillar will start his work and eat the leaf that they were born onto. This is really important because the mother butterfly needs to lay her eggs on the type of leaf the caterpillar will eat. Each caterpillar type likes only certain types of leaves. Since they are tiny and cannot travel to a new plant, the caterpillar needs to hatch on the kind of leaf that they would like to eat. When a caterpillar is born, they are extremely small. When they start eating, their skin starts growing and expanding. Their exoskeleton, or their skin, does not stretch or grow, so they grow by molting, or shedding the outgrown skin several times while it grows. The third stage is the pupa, or the chrysalis. The pupa stage is one of the coolest stages of a butterfly's life. As soon as a caterpillar is done growing, they have reached their full length or weight. They form themselves into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis. From the outside of the pupa, it looks as if the caterpillar may just be resting, but the inside is where all the action is. Inside of the pupa, the caterpillar is rapidly changing. Now, as most people know, caterpillars are short and stubby and have no wings at all. Within the chrysalis, the old body parts of the caterpillar are undergoing a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis to become the beautiful parts that make up the butterfly that will then emerge. Tissues, limbs, and organs of a caterpillar have all been changed by the time the pupa is finished and is now ready for the final stage of a butterfly's life cycle. The fourth stage is the adult butterfly. Finally, when the caterpillar has done all of its forming and changing inside the pupa, if you are lucky, you will get to see an adult butterfly emerge. When the butterfly first emerges from the chrysalis, both of the wings are going to be soft and folded against its body. This is because the butterfly had to fit all its new parts inside of the pupa. As soon as the butterfly is rested, after coming out of the chrysalis, it will pump blood into the wings in order to get them working and flapping. Then they get to fly. Usually within a 3 or 4 hour period, the butterfly will master flying and will search for a mate in order to reproduce. When in the fourth and final stage of their lives, adult butterflies are constantly on the lookout to reproduce, and when a female lays their eggs on some leaves, the butterfly life cycle will start all over.